Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum friends. In this lecture, we will study about Introduction to Program Development, Analyzing Problem, Designing Algorithm, and Testing a Solution. Outline of the topic include defining a problem, understanding a problem, analyzing a solution, then algorithm, basic purpose of algorithm and its designing, program and its structure, basic steps for program development, program example. First of all, defining a problem. A problem is any challenge or difficulty which occurs while doing any type of work and it requires a solution. Problem can be of any type because different types of work have different types of problems. Problem can be resolved by adopting different methods and techniques. Problem help us to understand our task more accurately and it help us to learn new things to resolve any type of error in our tasks. Understanding a problem. In order to solve a problem, we first have to understand that what is the problem. There are many ways to understand a problem. To solve a problem by using computer, you first need to write a program for it. First of all, analyzing the problem. A computer is not that much intelligent that it can analyze a problem by its own. This is a human, the programmer, who must analyze a problem, develop the instructions for the solving of problem, then use the computer to execute the instructions to solve a problem. We need to define the causes of problem. To analyze a problem, you need a clear idea of the problem so that it can be analyzed. Revisit a problem to make sure you are clear about it. What is the problem about? How frequently does it occur? When and where does it occur? Who is affected? Brainstorm the possible causes, group the causes together, represent the causes graphically. Problem solving techniques. After analyzing, there are some techniques to solve the problem. First of all, abstraction. Solving the problem in a model of the system before applying it on the real system. Then, analogy. Using a solution that solved an analogous similar problem. Brainstorming. Suggesting among the large number of people, large number of solutions or ideas are combining and developing them until an optimum is found. Divide and conquer. Breaking down a large problem into smaller and solvable parts. Reduction. Transforming the problem into another problem for which solution exists. Then research, employing existing ideas or adopting existing solutions or similar solutions for a problem. Algorithm. The definition: an algorithm is a well defined list of steps for solving a particular problem. Well defined procedures. An algorithm is a well defined computational procedure and that takes some values or set of values as input and produces some values or set of values as output. Sequence of steps. An algorithm is thus a sequence of steps that transform an input into an output. Role of algorithm in solving a problem. An algorithm plays an important role in developing solution to a problem. For example, if we have a complex situation which requires a lot of information to be gathered and a lot of data to be processed, divide each activity of information gathering and data processing into steps. It will make a problem solving an easy task. Divide and conquer. A very famous rule that makes the problem solving an easy task. So here's an explanation. Algorithms are very basic step for writing any type of program. Algorithm makes a large and difficult program into simple steps and we can write algorithms in any language because basic purpose of writing algorithm is to understand what is the problem or program wants us to do. So when we write steps in human understandable form, then it's easy for us to understand that program and we can mate our conditions and then we can implement those conditions in our program. Algorithm example. Problem is to display the largest one out of three given numbers. An algorithm is given three numbers which are unequal numbers n1, n2, and n3. This algorithm finds the largest number large out of three numbers. Step 1. Every algorithm start with word start. Step 2. In this step we took three integers. Step 3. Now we will use if statement and we will by comparing two numbers, then largest number will be stored in large. Step 4 is to display the largest number in large. Step 5 is to exit the algorithm with word exit. Program and its basic structure. Programming language is a set of codes, alphabets, numbers, or symbols which are used for development of software. Program is a set of instructions which are written in programming languages which tells the computer to perform specific tasks. Every program is divided in three main parts: header files, main, function, and body of main. Header files. Header files are the standard library functions that are used for specific purpose. Different header files are used for different purposes. Without header files, program cannot work properly. For example, these are some header files include iostream, conio.h, math.h, studio.h. Hash include is called preprocessor directives. Main function. Main function is main part of the program. Without main function, program can't execute because all the program depends on main function. The main function runs the main part of the program. It is used before the body of the program. What is the body of program? It is the main body in which all the commands and codes are written inside the flower braces. Body is executed after the main function. In body, we implement all logics and conditions which we want to execute in our program. Program sample. First of all, these are header file. This is the header file iostream. Then main function, int main, and then main body of the program. This is a complete program. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this lecture and also share what you have learned from this lecture in the comment box. Allah Hafiz.